they had major fitment problems with the new fenders.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm round in the corner.
So this is the rear door for this F-150. It gets seam sealer all the way around where the door skin folds around the door shell. I have to seal this up, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scuff it all the way around, and I'm gonna tape it off and go ahead and seal it up. Now this seam sealer that I'm using is called 3M Easy Sand. It's actually made as a plastic repair for things like bumper covers, but they also promote it as a seam sealer, and it is self-leveling, so it'll smooth out on its own once I brush across it. All of the brush strokes and everything will smooth out, and it levels out, and it looks as close to factory as you could possibly get. You got to make sure you pull the tape before it dries, otherwise it'll be bridged across there and it'll mess it up when you peel the tape off. This one is just about ready to go up to the paint shop. I'm gonna sit this door on there first and get it fitting correctly. These doors just sit on pins, but there's a lot of adjustment in them. And it's nice to have them adjusted before paint. Then whenever it comes to build, it's easier just to sit the door down on the pins. And if it's already adjusted, you don't have to worry about it at build time. So, all right, I got the door fitting very nicely. My gaps are nice and consistent and even. So this one is ready for the paint shop, and they can get it prepped out and get it painted. I have a Cadillac Escalade here. This one got hit in this right front corner. It's getting a new used fender, which I already bolted on there. And these are actually, in most cases, these particular GM trucks, it's a lot better to get a used fender than a new one because they had major fitment problems with the new fenders. And so whenever you get a used one, you know it's actually going to fit right. The new ones are always an issue on these things. I got the fender fit up, and then I have to repair the hood right here, which is what I'm going to dive into right now. I'm going to straighten that out, and then I will get the hood and the fender all primed up. So this is coming out, but I'm having a hard time getting this last little bit out right here. And the problem is, if this is just in a little bit right here, it's causing a knot right here, because when this goes in, it's causing this to sit up high right here, kind of like a crown. And I can't get that last little bit to come out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weld this small tab on right here and just barely hit it with my slide hammer. And if that comes out just a little bit, then I'll be able to knock down this crown right here. So I just need to get a little bit out of it. Now, it's not gonna take much, just a little bit of effort.